The circular saw blade is a highly efficient cutting tool designed for a wide range of applications in construction, manufacturing, woodworking, and metalworking industries. It is available in various materials, including high-speed steel, HSS, for metal cutting, carbide for hard materials like stainless steel and aluminum alloys, diamond for cutting stone, concrete, and other hard and brittle materials, and silicon carbide for glass and ceramics. Common base materials include 75 CR1 for general use and 68 CR for high-end applications. The blade diameter typically ranges from 100 mm to 500 mm, directly affecting cutting depth. Tooth count varies depending on the cutting needs. More teeth provide smoother cuts at slower speeds, while fewer teeth enable faster cutting with rougher edges. Standard bore sizes include 20 mm, 25.4 mm, and 30 mm, suitable for different machines. Blade thickness usually falls between 1 mm and 3 mm, balancing cutting stability in material loss. To ensure durability and performance, the blades are manufactured with strict hardness requirements for wear resistance, along with high toughness to prevent breakage during operation. Precision balancing reduces vibration and ensures smooth operation at high speeds. Some blades feature coatings such as tin or TLN to enhance wear resistance and prolong service life. Applications cover woodworking, cutting wood and plywood, metal processing, cutting steel, aluminum, copper, stone processing, cutting marble, granite, and construction, cutting concrete, bricks, and tiles, making the circular saw blade an essential tool across industries.